Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be going through a Gantt chart. Let's go into the video. So now I have a data like this. Number of tasks which has started on so and so date and it has to be completed within this date. So based on this data, we are going to prepare a Gantt chart. So first of all, what you need to do is go to insert. From there, select your 3D or 2D, any horizontal chart. From here, click on select data. Add the legend entries first. So name, it will be start date, enter. Y value will be, you need to remove the data and just select entire data like this. Then press OK. Now you need to do the same process again. Select data. Again we need to add legend entries. Then click on name. Click on days to complete. Enter. And the values will be as shown earlier. Just select the entire data as it is. Just click enter, and here in access label you can select now itself what are the different type of tasks or task names. After getting selected, just click on OK. So the chart has been prepared. Now we need to do a little bit of changes. First of all, the chart, it is in the descending order. We need to rearrange it. Right click on format axis, click on categories reverse order. So it start from 1 to here like this. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this. Now we need to select this and right click, format data series, fill, it should be no fill. Okay, then you can close this. Now the date has to be start from the 3rd. Okay, so for that what we need to do is copy that date, just paste it for here for temporary purpose. Why is it we need to convert this date to number format. Why is it? Because now we need to select from here, then format axis. Here we need to start from the minimum as 3rd May. So 3rd May, here it is showing as date is this one. So what we can do, copy this, copy this data, format axis, and minimum start, you can put it and enter. So done. So our chart is now ready. Now based on this, now you can prepare your, you can design any chart labels or anything, any kind of plot area, what all extra you need to put it here, that you can do it by yourself. So this is basically a Gantt chart. Hope everybody understood. If you have any doubt, you can just come and ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and support. Thank you.